Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a developer account in OpenPayments. The first step is click on the logon, then choose an authentication provider. Click on allow, then enter your basic profile information. Make sure you choose your time zone so that you can see the reports displaying in your corresponding time. Then after you fill out this form, click on save. Scroll down again and click on the note below that says if you are an app developer, click here to register your first app. Read the terms of service and click on accept. Then here is where you will enter your first application definition. So I'm gonna call this application sample app. And I choose the platform. And I choose the refund policy, which is the number of hours that my customers are allowed to return the application to claim a refund. So I can choose 0 or 4 hours or 10 hours, any number of hours that I want. Then I click on add. And after I click on add, I see different payment options that I can offer to purchase this application. So I have to click on each one to set up the account. So you have to have an account in this payment provider so that you can set it up. Then please follow the instructions here so that you can obtain the corresponding information. So I'm just gonna enter any data. Then click on save. I'm gonna set up the next one, which is a sandbox environment. This one allows me to do testing of payments without having to spend any money. So let me try this last one. Just enter any data here. Well, I'm entering any data, but you should enter the real data for that the payment provider will give you. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to my sample application, which is listed here. Then I have to click here to edit the application. Scroll to the bottom to enter the different versions that I want to offer. Click on add version. Then first version that I want to offer is sample app premium full version with no restrictions. Language is optional. Then I can choose a price of 0 if I want to offer it for free, or any price. I'm just gonna choose $1. Click on add. I'm gonna add another version of this application, which is gonna be a trial version. This version name is sample app trial. Then I can type full version, but for limited time. The price is gonna be 0. It's gonna have a trial of, let's see, 24 hours, so people can try full application for 24 hours. Okay, so now I have 2 versions for my application. Now let's see how the customers will see when they click on the purchase from the device. Click on test purchase, and this is what they will see based on the information that I just entered. So as you see, the title is sample app, the name of my application, the description that I entered for the application, then the versions that I offered. I have a sample app premium for $1 and sample app trial, which has 1 day free trial. Since this name seems redundant, I want to rename it, so that's why this is useful, so that you can tailor it depending on your needs. I can rename it to sample app and remove the trial code. So I choose the payment option, or they can choose to restore a license. If they choose to restore a license, the payment option is not doesn't make sense. So even for the trial, if they want to have a trial, they don't need to purchase it. So they click on the trial and they get the trial version. So in here I am seeing the sandboxes, because this allows me to test the application. However, the end users will not see these sandboxes. The reason we are seeing it is because you see in the URL there's a word at the end that says show sandbox equals true. If I take that out, it's not gonna show the sandboxes anymore, right? But purposes of testing for us is useful so that we can test. This payment option email invoice is something that we offer through Open Payments that basically sends a link to this page to the email address that they enter in step 1, so that they can proceed with the purchase from a computer rather than from the device. Okay, let's go back to my editing my application, and this is it. This is all I need to do to set up the application. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please go to the services section and click on FAQ, where you will find different questions and answers. And if you don't find the questions or answers that you're looking for, you can go to the Google Moderator site where you can post your own questions. Thank you.